In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix a black screen or no signal issue here on your PS5. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, we do need to start with the basic checks. Don't worry, this is going to kind of seem repetitive and like common sense, but it's worth checking first before we move into the more advanced fixes. Essentially, make sure that your PS5 is properly connected to your TV or monitor. Check the HDMI cable is fully plugged into both the PS5 and TV. Sometimes a loose cable might look connected, but it's not like fully seated, so check that first. And then also check the input source on your TV or monitor. Use your TV remote, press the source or input button to make sure it's the correct HDMI input and make sure that that's selected. Also make sure that your PS5 is actually turning on. Whenever it does power on, you should see the console like light up and hear the fan start running. If it's not turning on at all, double check that the power cable and outlet are secure. If everything looks correct and you're still getting a black screen, you need to go ahead and boot your PlayStation 5 into safe mode. So make sure that your PS5 is completely turned off. And then you need to press and hold down on the power button until you hear a beep. Then a second beep after that. Once you hear that second beep, let go of that button. And this is going to confirm that your PS5 will launch into safe mode. From here, go ahead and just connect your controller using a USB-C cable and press the PlayStation button on that controller and use the D-pad to navigate to change video output, select change resolution, hit OK, and your PS5 will restart. After it restarts, choose a different resolution setting. I'd recommend trying something like 720 or 1080i or 1080p. Sometimes the console is, set to a resolution that your TV doesn't support, which is going to cause that black screen. If none of those resolutions do fix the problem, and it'll go ahead and restart every single time when you do that, you could try a full reset of the PS5, which you have to go back into safe mode to do this and then hit reset PS5. Just keep in mind this will delete all your users and your data on the console, and it should only be used as a last resort. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.